back of it? Jeez Louise. It's not me, I'm not big as the t-shirt. The t-shirt shrunk. The t-shirt shrunk. Welcome back everybody, my name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. So this week I'm so excited because I'm gearing up for a few weeks off, maybe 2 weeks off, about 10 days, probably 7 days, maybe 2 days off. I'm taking tomorrow off. No, I'm taking a few days off, and what I'll be doing is filming 3 weeks or so worth of Coffee Break intros, just so you've got me still saying "Way, welcome back," and so you can enjoy a coffee in the morning with my goofy face. So yeah, I've already painted 3 weeks worth of coffee breaks because that's smart, and I thought I'd just film 3 intros. So for the next 3 weeks you're going to see me in the same t-shirt with the same shiny sweaty forehead, same hairstyle, as I introduce 3 different paintings. This week I'm painting a commission for David, one of my patrons. If you would like to become a patron and enjoy a huge discount off all of my work, whether it's prints, frame prints, signed prints, original works of art or commissions, simply go to patreon.com/scenescapeshop, where you become a patron and support me in being able to get my materials and stuff, and in return, and a thank you for supporting me, you get a huge discount off all my work whenever you want it. And also, if I paint something that you like in particular, or have painted something that you like in particular, and you'd like a 5x7 print of it, which would go in the album that you're provided with when you become a patron, then just let me know and I'll send it straight to you on me, totally free, just if you want to expand your collection of my artwork. So that's a pretty cool thing that you get as a patron. My aim is to get 100 patrons. I'm on 14 so far, not going so well, but we'll get there in the end. Thank you so much to all who joined me yesterday for the Wednesday work along, the live stream. Just as I start to get more confident in presenting live and put my artwork out there. Yesterday we painted this, which is called The End of Summer, and it's one of the first sort of crash and wave seascapes I've done. I wanted to give it the old Scenescapeshop treatment. You can feel the power in that wave, can't you? It splashes on the rock. Nice water effect there on the beach, on the shore as well. But yeah, painted that yesterday. That's available as an original work of art. Prints aren't unlocked just yet, unless of course you're a patron, and you get a 5x7 print free if you want it. But yeah, that original work of art is on sale now on my Etsy store. Links just below if you're interested in buying that. Now yesterday when I painted that painting, I had a practice run as well the day before. On Tuesday I had a practice run of painting a seascape. I just painted on a little A4 canvas, very similar painting, but this is also available for a cheaper price as well. It's for £100 on Etsy, and yeah, that's a bit of a more mellow version of it, but there's still a splashy rock there. You can see where I practiced. So the A4 one is called Summer's Final Day, and the 16x20 one is called The End of Summer. They're both available on my Etsy store now if you're interested in any of those. That little intro that you saw at the start was part of my 3-year anniversary of Coffee Breaks. I've played the first half of it today. I'll play the second half of it next week, and the third week I'll play the whole thing just to be able to watch. For me, it just gives me the opportunity to just have a quick introduction so I can take them a few weeks holidays, that's all. Say my name. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop, and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. You're goddamn right. But it's Coffee Break Thursday to do. Pop that kettle on, make some a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, pop your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. I am the danger.